Yes, a student. So this was the index exercise 7.4, question 3 bit 2, question 4 bit 2, and objectives, right? So you have completed question number 3 and you get the answer 9, right? And in question number 4, everybody here showing their work to me. So here is Rumesa Abed is there on the screen. Okay, Rumesa, we get 8, x is equals to 8. Rumesa, can you please mention the rough work as well? Very good, Ramesa. Perfect. But little bit more. Can you please show me the rough work as well? One more thing, Ramesa. Extreme. Spelling of extreme is extreme. ठीक है? Make correction in the spelling. Thank you. Otherwise, perfect. So here is Noseba. Yes, Noseba. Very good, Noseba. Okay, we get x is equals to 8, and here the solution. Here the rough work is done. Okay, Anamta is there. Anamta is there. Okay. Sada Zainab, kindly show me your work as well. Very good, bete. Next question. Next question. Very good. Very good. So here I want Sada Arib. Please show me your work. Here Sada is showing her work. Next one is Arib. Okay, Arib is there. We get very good. Arib, next question, bete. Next question. Sorry, this is Sada. Sada, next question, bete. Bete, you have copied the correct question, but there is a mistake, Sada. Bete, whenever we are finding the mean proportion, mean means the center part, the numbers which are written in the center, they are going to be x. Sada, are you listening to me? We will write 4 ratio x 6 to 16. Okay, make correction over there. Acha, you have written let x be the number. Again, it's wrong. Let x be the mean proportion. Let x be the mean proportion. Sada, take your pen in your hand and make correction. Let x be the mean proportion. We get 4 ratio 6 is 4 ratio x ratio 16. Sada, your solution is also wrong. I'm going to show you here Sania's copy, and Sheroz is also showing his copy. Okay, Sania is there. First, look at the work. Bete, first let x be the mean proportion. ठीक? 4 is to x is to x is to 16. Okay, mean means the numbers which are written in the center, they are called mean proportion. ठीक है ना? So we get x square, 16 fours are 64. We get x is equals to 8. X equals to 8. Very good, Sanya. Here, very good, Sheroz. Here you can see the index as well. Very good. And this is the last question. Then, very good. Perfect. Where you have written let x be the mean proportion, kindly write it down. Write down let. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Hold on. Acha, this is the third proportion question, bete. Sheroz, first write down this line. Let x be the third proportion, right? ठीक है? In both the question, mention let x be the third proportion, let x be the fourth proportion. So here I have checked all the copies. Here Iman is left. Iman is left. So Iman is there. Iman, I can't see the copy. properly. Keep your copy closer to the camera. More closer, yes, closer, closer, yes, like this. uh, थोड़ा सा ऊपर, Iman, थोड़ा सा ऊपर बेटे. Okay, so we get here, let x be the mean proportion. Perfect, everything is perfectly done by Iman also. So let's begin our objectives. Ready for the objectives, students? So remember how we used to solve objectives. Sada, kindly make correction in your question. Areeb is left. I also want Areeb, Ramla to show their work. Just let's first complete the objectives. ठीक है, पहले हम objectives complete कर लें. Then I will ask here uh, Areeb, Jaykumar, Alishba, Sarfaraz to show their work also. So let's start the objective. Romesa Sajja.
भाई हमने अपना कैमरा ऑन करना है, जो स्क्रीन थोड़ी लगानी है, उनसे बोलिए नाम लेके. तो कोई ना कोई रीजन.
Okay, here again I'm checking out the participants. Students, please switch on your cameras right now. Switch on your cameras right now. Jay Kumar, what happened? Alishba Sarfaraz, please. Aisha Hassan, what happened, bete? Humam is there. Kindly switch on your camera. So, bete, how can we solve the objectives? You know that for objective, what I used to tell you, that whenever you are solving the objective, and for example this is your copy, ठीक है, तो you have to draw here the line for the rough work, and just write down heading of objective over here. Write down the heading of objective, right? Objectives. Then draw the line here, like this. Just write down rough work over there, okay, and start copying down these objectives. Kindly copy down. Humam is there. Humam, where were you, bete? You have joined my class too much late. Yes, a student. I hope you all are copying down these objectives in your arithmetic copy. Okay. Switch on your cameras quickly, everybody. Arib, Ayman, Hamza, Saad, Adan, Talha, Humam, Hania, Subhana. Quickly switch on your cameras, bete. Can anyone show, Sumaya, can you show your copy on the screen so that we can check it out? How can we solve objectives? How we have to make our copy for the objective? Yes, a student. Here we can see that we have to copy down question here and we have to draw the line for the what we have to do. What we have to do, Vanya, please show me the copy also on the screen. What we have to do, we have to draw the line for the rough work. In the same way, in your final term paper, when you get the objectives, in the same way you have to solve these questions. You have to draw the line and on the right hand side, and you have to solve the objectives and the right corner and just take the correct answer. Okay, just complete it quickly. Dash should be added to x square plus 16 to make it a perfect square. Okay, number 2, dash should be added to 10a plus 25 to make it a perfect square. Yes, Alishba. Next is the first term in the ratio is called dash. Yes, Amen. Ramla is there. How are you, Ramla? Very good. Okay, number 4, 23 pen is to 37 pens. Express in ratio as simply as possible. Yes, Arib. Arib is solving the question. Very good, Arib. Jay Kumar is there, sitting in the uniform. Looks very nice. You all are looking very nice. That's like my students. That's like my obedient students. Rumesa. Okay, Rumesa Sajad is also there, sitting in a uniform. Very good. So number fifth is the third proportional of 4 is to 6 is equals to dash. Copy down the options as well. ठीक है ना? Copy down the options as well and then take the correct one. Hamza, Kashif, Saad, Talha, Humam, Hania, Subhana. Switch on your camera. Switch on, please. Humam. So, if you have not attended the previous classes, especially of revision, I want you all to just check out the recorded lectures and try to solve these questions. Please prepare yourself for your final terms. Okay? So Sada is raising her hand. What happened, Sada? Bete, why are you raising your hand? Any problem? Yes, Sada. Yes, Sada. Any problem,
मिस
bete? Yes, bete.
मिस मुझे ये कहना था कि मेरा रोल नंबर है वो रिजल्ट पे नहीं लिखा हुआ.
Acha, bete. That's it? Okay. You can call reception and you can discuss this matter over there if your roll number is not mentioned in your result. Okay. So I hope you all have copied these 7 objectives properly. Let's ask one by one. Romessa, you all have copied or not? You have copied the 7 objectives, yes or no?
No.
No? Asa, quickly complete it. Quickly complete it first. Just copy down all the objectives. Bete, we don't have that much time. We have to solve it also. Okay? Now let's solve number 1. If you know the correct answer of bit number 1, if you know the correct answer of bit number 1, kindly raise your hand. If you know the answer of bit 1, raise your hand. Yes, Vania. Vania, what is the answer for question number 1?
Miss 6x square.
6x square is the correct answer. Are you sure? First, tell me that how this is a case 1 or case 2. Dash should be added to x square and 16 plus 16 to make it a perfect square. So, these two terms are square terms, or one is a square or one is 2xy term. First, tell me about this. One second. Aisha is also there. Aisha, unmute yourself quickly. Aisha Hassan. Yes, Aisha.
Yes.
Aisha, this is the first case or
8x.
second case?
Miss first is
First case. Why? Because first term is the square of
x.
x. Very good. Here, students, we are going to start solving these questions. We don't have that much time. Okay? The first term is the square of x. This answer is given by Aisha Hassan, x square. Aisha, what about 16?
4.
4,
4 square.
4 whole
Square.
square.
Whole
Right?
square.
4 whole square. That means what we needed over here, Aisha?
Uh, y. Y.
We want this term is x square, this term is y square. So what we need over here, which term is needed?
2.
2xy, right? So
X.
we get 2. What is our x? Our x is x. And what
X.
is our y? Aisha, what is our y in this question?
4.
4.
4.
So here 2 fours are 8x. 2 fours are 8x. That means our correct answer is 8x. Our correct answer is 8x. Very good. So the correct answer is number 2, 8x. Now what about the second question? Now what about the second question? Here, Shehroz. Yes, Shehroz. But second question. First tell me that which case is this, case 1 or 2?
Case 2.
Case 2, excellent. Sheroz, here 25 is a square of what?
5.
5, very good. 25 is a square of 5. And what about 10a? 10a.
10a is a square of 2 and 5a.
10a 10a is not a square. 10a is a 2xy term. आपने खुद बताया कि this is a case number 2, right? So 10a is what? 10a is 2xy term. First I have to write 2. Now what is x? X is 5
5.
according to the question. Now what is left? What we have to write here?
A.
A. Very good. A. That means this is what? X square plus 2xy, and what is missing here?
Is y square.
Y square. And according to your question, what is your y?
A.
A. So a square, that means what should be added here?
A square.
A square. Very good. So here correct answer is a
A square.
square. A square is the correct answer. ठीक. Now next one. Next one. I want Areeb. Areeb, unmute yourself, bete. Shabash. Areeb. Yes, Areeb.
मिस इसका
The first
कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट है
term, the first term in the ratio is called first term. मैंने अभी लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हुए भी बताया था. The first term in the ratio. फर्स्ट टर्म की बात हो रही है अरीब. Yes, Rumesa Abid. The first term in the ratio is called
Antecedent.
antecedent. Very good. The first term in the ratio is called antecedent. This is the correct answer. So 23 pence is to 37 pence, expressed in ratio as simply as possible. This question I have taken from exercise 7.1. I have selected all these questions from exercise 3.13 out of text, 7.1, 7.2, 7.4 and cube, right? And 3.1, 2 and 1, 3. ठीक है, जो हमने अब तक रिवाइज किया है टॉपिक उन्हीं में से ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. नाउ आई वांट वन स्टूडेंट टू प्लीज गिव मी द आंसर. हियर आई वांट आंसर बाय एमन जहां मुगल. एमन जहां, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ क्विकली बेटे. यस एमन, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर एमन? फर्स्ट वन और सेकंड वन? एमन जहां, वेर? यस एमन जहां बेटे.
Teacher, first one.
First one, very good, shabash. Okay, so here we get 23 ratio 37. And Amen, we can't further solve it, so this is the answer, 23 ratio 37. Now question number 5. Find the third proportional of 4 is to 6. 4 is to 6. Now where is Hania? Okay, Hania, unmute yourself quickly bete. Hania, the third proportional of 6 is to 4. 6 is to 4, Hania. Yes, Hania. Can you hear me? The third proportional of 4 is to 6. Bete, we don't have that much time. Please complete it quickly. Hania is not sharing any answer here. Anam Zafar is there. Anam, what will be the answer? Anam, unmute yourself, bete. Give me the answer. Yes, Anam. Anam, the third proportional of 4 and 6 is what? Yes, Sanya is there. Sanya, give me the answer.
The answer is 9.
9. How can we solve this question? We get 4 ratio 6 ratio 6 ratio x, right?
Yes, miss.
Then,
Miss, we have suddenly solved this question.
okay. So,
मिस आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन मिस मैंने आपसे पूछना था कि हम अपनी कॉपीज मंडे को सबमिट कराएंगे या कल
bete, tomorrow is the submission day. You got the message on WhatsApp group as well. Okay, tomorrow is the submission
यस
day.
मिस
You have to submit all your copies, all your unchecked copies
ओके मिस
tomorrow. So
ओके मिस
kindly make your work
ओके
proper,
मिस
complete your work properly, okay, and submit your copy
यस मिस
by tomorrow. So here the answer given by um Sanya. Let's check it out. How can we solve it? 4 is to 6. So bete 4, we get 4 is to 6 is to 6 is to x. 6 6 are, we get 6 6 are 36, and when we divide it by 4 we get 9. Perfect. Perfect. So this one is the correct answer. The correct answer is given by Sanya. Now the next one, the cube of x plus 1. The cube of x plus 1 is what? Halima, first one or second one?
Second one, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1.
Very good. Very good. So the correct answer is this. Halima, for solving these type of objective, what we need to know, we know the formula, right? So if you we don't remember the formula, how can we solve these question, right? So kindly just memorize all the formulas, definition, each and everything which is the part of your final term. Now Hania, now can you please give me the answer? Hania, last question bete.
Miss, second bit, x square minus 4x plus 4.
Very good. So the correct answer is here, x square minus 4x plus 4. Done everybody? Done everybody? May I check your work? May I check your objectives right now? In the same time, I want you all to just keep your algebra copies also open in front of you so that I can just uh, check it out that your work is properly completed by you or not. Or here I will show you the complete copy work also, ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि कोई indices missing तो नहीं है, any work is missing or not. You can check it out from that copy as well. ठीक है? That's it. So now, yes, Iman, quickly show me your objectives. Yes, Iman, show me your objectives quickly, bete. Iman, I can't hear you. One second. You're saying something? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes.
मिस मैं कर लूँ फिर आपको सारा दिखाती थी
अभी तक आपने जो किया वो शो कर दीजिए. डोंट वरी.
मैं यार ये गिर रहा है
Everybody keep your copies on the screen so that I can check your work. Last 5 minutes are left. If your objectives are left, मैं वापस से आपको स्क्रीन पे शो कर दूंगी. Okay, don't worry, just show your work to me. Here Sumaya is showing her copy. Very good,
बस
very good, very properly completed all the objectives. Very good. Turn the page. Next page. Sumaya, unmute yourself. Yes, Sumaya. Have you understood all the objectives which we have done today? That's great. So here Aisha Hassan's copy is there. Okay, Aisha copy is there on the screen. Here Iman, if you are completing your work, you can check out these objectives as well. I am showing copies to you, okay, of different students. You can complete your objective from here, from from this copy, okay. So very good. Next one is Sheroz. Sheroz, show me your copy. Halima is there. Keep your copies on your screen so that, yes, that's great. Sheroz, all these questions are clear? Clear? Yes or no? Okay, good. Next is, next. Rumesa Abid is there. Ramla is there. Ramla, I want. Where is Ramla? Okay, Rumesa Sajad is there. Very good, Rumesa Sajad. Very good, bete. Shabash. You have completed the objectives as well. Okay. So here Ramla, I want Ramla. Very good, Ramla. Objectives are there. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now I want Anam Zafar is there. Anam, show me your copy. Humam, show me your copy quickly. Humam. Where is Humam? Hamza Kashif, turn on your camera right now. Humam, can you show me your copy? Humam, are you there? Show me your copy quickly, bete. Asya is there. Hamza Kashif is not turning on his camera. Nusaiba is there. Anamta Rehan is there. Okay. So here is Anamta's Rehan copy. That's great. So students, we have completed these objectives related to this week's topic. Okay. Um, can anyone is having algebra copy right now? Kindly show me your algebra copy. Yes, Sheroz is having his algebra copy. Quickly show me the algebra copy, bete. Shabash. Here Anamta is also having her algebra copy. Okay. Bete, what we have done, just show me the index, Anamta. We have completed till question number 13, and these are the indices. Students, you can note down the indices in this when I will going to upload this recorded lecture. We have started start from exercise 4.1. Anamta, turn the page. Sheroz, I will show your copy after that. Okay, exercise 4.1, there is no heading of chapter number 4. Anamta, you have to write down the heading of exercise 4.1 as well. Okay, bete, we have done 4.1, 4.3, 4.3 again. Turn the page. Okay, 4.3, question 6, and this is the index. Everybody, if something is missing in your copy, what you have to do, you have to just check out the lecture, recorded lecture, and you can complete the work. Here is Sheroz's copy. Sheroz, show me the index quickly, beta, quickly. Less than 1 minute is left. Okay, that's great. Okay, so in this way you can complete your work. Okay, this is the algebra, and this is the algebra copy index. Okay, you have to submit all your copies by tomorrow. Thank you so much, students.